We have the HP TouchPad with Android here, and then we have the Apple iPad. This is iPad 2 with iOS 5 over here. Okay, so we're going to test YouTube first. So I'll try to touch these at the same time to see which device will load everything fastest. As you can see, the iPad won significantly. About 2 seconds loaded everything faster. But overall, the general user interface on the iPad is a lot better than Android, and that's just the operating system. Also, scrolling is a little bit smoother on the iPad. Next, I want to test playing a video. Alright, and this time the touchpad loaded it a lot faster than the iPad. As you guys saw, I don't know if you saw, but the loading bar on the touchpad just took off, where on the iPad it lagged just a hair. Okay, so there the touchpad was just a hair faster, not as much as it was in the last video. Okay, so I'll play a little bit of the game on each of these devices. So you can get a small sense of how the graphics work. So hopefully you can see the iPad is a lot smoother than the touchpad. There's pretty much no lag, whereas the touchpad shows a little bit of lag. Some choppiness in the graphics there compared to the touchpad, or the iPad rather, which is very smooth. Okay, so I think that just about shows how the touchpad competes against one of the best tablets in the industry, which is the Apple iPad. I actually ran a benchmark on this, and it got a higher rating than a lot of other Android devices, including the Motorola Xoom, a slightly higher rating. And so the touchpad with Android is not a joke. It is a very serious device, and it works extremely well. As you can see, it compares very well to the Apple iPad. Apple iPad is just a bit smoother in everything, but the touchpad, sure, is still a great device and runs excellently, especially for this being a beta version. I can't wait to see the public release. So when there is a public release, you can be sure that on this channel I will make a video of how to get Android onto your device. So I will see you guys in the next video.